Is your engine light staring you down and you have noticed your fuel economy taking a nosedive lately? Because if so, you might be dealing with a P0030 code. This is a super common issue on everything from Toyotas and Hondas to Chevys and Fords, so do not panic just yet. Basically, this code points directly to the heater control circuit of your oxygen sensor, specifically the one located at Bank 1, Sensor 1, which is the upstream sensor right before your catalytic converter. To make your engine run efficiently, it needs a perfect air-to-fuel ratio of 14.7 to 1. The engine computer relies on the oxygen sensors to tell it how much oxygen is in the exhaust so it can adjust the fuel mix. But here's the catch. Oxygen sensors need to be really hot to work accurately. That is why they have a built-in heating element inside them. This heater warms up the sensor way faster than the exhaust gas alone could, which helps your car get into what we call closed-loop mode, quickly reducing emissions and saving you gas money. When you see P0030, it means the computer tried to turn that heater on but detected a problem in the circuit. It could be a blown fuse, a wiring issue, or the sensor itself is toast. To fix this, you'll want to start with a visual inspection. Pop the hood and look at the wiring going to that first oxygen sensor. If the wires are melted against the exhaust or chewed up, you have found your problem. If the wires look good, grab a multimeter. You need to check if the heater is getting power. With the key in the on position, disconnect the sensor and check for 12 volts at the battery feed pin. If you have no power, check your fuses. If you do have power, check the ground side. If both power and ground are good at the connector, then the issue is likely inside the sensor itself, which means it is time to buy a new one. It is a straightforward fix that can save you a ton of cash at the gas pump, so it's definitely worth tackling this weekend.